Welcome to Book Notes. Today's book is Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, is a compelling account of the life of Jerry Livingston, a character loosely based on the real-life stock trader Jesse Livermore. The narrative, set in the early 20th century, guides the reader through Livingston's journey from a quotation board boy in a bucket shop to one of the top stock price scalpers. Livingston's journey is marked by numerous setbacks, leaving him broke and near destitute more than once. Despite these challenges, he remains determined to succeed. He has a natural gift for observing price movements on the ticker tape and a knack for predicting when stock prices will rise and fall. His first trade proves the accuracy of his system, leading to such a successful run that he is blacklisted in shops across the country. Eventually, Livingston grows disenchanted with his bucket shop gig and decides to try his hand at Wall Street. However, the price scalping that had been his bread and butter in the shop proves less effective on Wall Street. His pricing predictions are often on point, but they are ill-timed, resulting in major losses. Through trial and error, Livingston learns from his mistakes over time. Livingston receives valuable insights from his interactions with fellow traders. One such trader, Mr. Partridge, employs a different method. Instead of trading in and out of stocks based on small market fluctuations, Partridge often picks a position and holds on to it long-term. Partridge's insights prove invaluable to Livingston as he navigates the often treacherous terrain of Wall Street culture. The book is a treasure trove of valuable advice accumulated throughout Jesse Livermore's time on Wall Street, particularly dealing with disciplined trading and market psychology. It highlights the importance of discipline, risk management, and independent thinking. The narrative details Livermore's evolution into an adept market participant, highlighting the strategies he employed and the errors he made throughout his journey. In summary, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator is a captivating account of a fictionalized stock trader's life, based on the experiences of Jesse Livermore. The book delves into the psychology of trading, emphasizing the importance of discipline, risk management, and independent thinking. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator is a classic investment book written by Edwin Lefèvre. It provides a fictionalized account of the life and stock market philosophy of Jesse Livermore, one of the most successful stock traders of the early 20th century. Here are some key takeaways from the book are as follows. 1. Times change, but some things remain the same. Livermore talks about how human nature brings about challenges when it comes to investing. 2. Be a student of the markets. Always be a student of the markets. 3. The market teaches us lessons. The market is a great teacher and we should always be open to learning from it. 4. Learn from your losses. Losses are a part of the trading process and they provide valuable lessons. 5. Make money. Don't worry about being right. The goal of trading is to make money, not to be right all the time. 6. Speculators versus investors. The book distinguishes between speculators and investors. 7. Practice patience. Patience is a virtue in trading. 8. Take time to plan your strategy. Having a well-thought-out strategy is crucial for success. These lessons are timeless and can be very helpful for anyone interested in trading and investing. That was a summary of Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefèvre. Thank you for listening to Book Notes. Please follow us on all our social media. The links are in the description of each video.